Hey, so my fellow Swazis, good morning. It's a chilled weather. I can even see from my window here. It's a chilled weather. You see. So, ngicela sihlebe la kule video. Anisho nine maswati ukuthi ninemali. I've seen that. You come with surprises every day. In fact, you surprise me every day. Nine maswati ne. Ninemali lengaka lengayuzi phele. You see. I got friends here, well connected. I told you before that I'm well exposed, more than even you. Although kula malanga ngingalali because we've got audit lem17 since we are closing our financial year. And what genelo? You see. Tell me something. Tell me something. Nine ningenela i-competition yekwini imoto ni. You see. Ningenela ngemali yekuthenga emathulusi ekuqala ibhizinisi. Nini. Ningangenela i-competition yekuwina imoto ya 200,000. Sengisi kushothe nina ningasifunzi kahle. Lapho sithi khona, if you can't buy it twice, it means you don't afford it. You see. Lo munye utambona sa You see. Lo munye utambona sathathe lo 200,000 wekugcina ebhanki angenelela i-competition na. 200,000 awuthethe. I want to stand a chance of winning that car. I'll understand and I'll stand a chance. You see. You're not connected that far. I'll understand you stand a chance. It means ungayifaka le 200,000. Ujika ungawini. Nango stand a chance. Ngifakile 200,000 ngitayiwina imoto kusha wena. Wafunza letien. Galamkapi. You see. I told you. You Swazis. I don't even know why I'm talking to you. You see. Because I never. I've tried my best to show you ukuthi live linjani la ngaphandle. Go to umuntu lo wake wawina i-Rolls Royce. I win. You see. Okay, bye-bye. Ngoba ngiva vele. Then I suka man.